Only for positives. Okay, fine. So I can say that all integers are not whole number, right? But all whole numbers are integers. Hmm? Can I say this thing? Exactly. And one thing more important, q shouldn't be supposed to 0. Okay. Is there is any similarity between rational numbers and integers?
Ma'am, they both include positive and negative numbers.
Okay, but I write integers as -2 or +2 or anything like that, -5, like this way I can write anything. But for rational numbers I have to write in p by q. I can't say only p or I can't say only q, right? I have
Yes.
to write something like 5 by 3 or -2 by 3, whatever I can write. So what how can you say that they are similar or they are not similar?
Ma'am, as -2 can also be written as -2 by 1.
Very good. That only I am asking you, that the similarity between integers and rational number is that rational number also call integers in that format, that if I integers I can write 2, I can express integer -2 by 1, or this one is called identity, right? Identity, or I
Yes.
can say 1, like this way. Number system, these are called number systems. Okay, this entire number system have some similarities, have some dissimilarities, have some similarities and have some dissimilarities. So there are one thing, HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Okay, so when I am talking about rational numbers, since our topic for today is rational numbers, so rational numbers have p by q form, first thing. In that, q shouldn't be supposed to 0. Why? Because if I say 1 by 0, then I can't able to define the number. Defined. I can't able to define the number. Okay, but anything 0 by 5 or anything in the numerator, actually this is called numerator and this is called denominator. So if this kind of system or if this kind of fractions p by q form I get, I will say that it is equal to 0, definitely, right? So if I am expressing any integer is your this thing -2, suppose that -2, and I am saying that this integer is your rational number, that is -2 by 1, then I have to say that this p and this q should have HCF is equal to 1. Did you got it?